So, this afternoon, decided to talk about Mr. Goodlow Harper Bell. Alin din siya sa New England and nag-migrate to Westward. Children sila. And he was the oldest. From age 19, nagsugod na siya o teach due to overwork. Yan, namatay ko yung asawa na si Catherine. So, nag-fail po ang health ni Bell. So, causing him to seek medical treatment in 1866 at the Health Reform Institute in Battle Creek, Michigan. So, nag-adto si Bell para mapacheck po sa iyang lawas. So, during his second visit, pag-adto niya, dito niya na-discover ang Seventh-day Adventist faith. And so, soon after, napakonvert siya. After his recovery, recovered siya sa iyang health, in 1867, Bell started a private school for his D.A. children in Battle Creek. In 1869, he became superintendent of the Battle Creek Sabbath School and served as General Conference Treasurer between March 1870 and February 1871. So Bell was a strict disciplinarian, which brought both approval and criticism from parents and students. So, Ellen White, nagsulat sa Ellen White, ingon siya, "It is true his style is in marked contrast with the generality of teachers." Pero, sampanan po ni Ellen White o correction. Ingon siya, Brother Bell did not realize that he was depending more upon on system. So, Brother Bell, agad nag-rely na siya maayo sa sistema, sa pagdisiplina, and na-disregard niya ang of the Holy Spirit sa mga kabataan ihalid ko. So, by 1872, Bell left Battle Creek. So, na-discourage siya tungkol sa iyang reputation na dagdag ang against sa iyang style sa pagtudlo. But Ellen White wrote, nag-invite siya ni Ellen na magbalik o tudlo. So, nagbalik siya by June 3, 1872. So, the school was success from the beginning. Imo na siyang Battle Creek College. Pagpuli sa lain na president, which is si Alexander McLeod, ang rules po sa eskwelahan medyo nilayo po. So, in December, Ellen White warned, nag-warning siya sa kanyang eskwelahan na naamay siya sa posisyon that God does not approve. So, wala na po disiplina. So, iyang i-rebuke si McLeod and si Bell. And so, for the second time, Bell left the school na po. Ms. Ellen White wrote a strong support for Bell and rebuked those sa itong nagapangaway and atong baki ang pag-treat nila kay Bell, causing him to leave the school. Later years, Bell started the first church correspondence school. This is his contribution to Adventism. Some historians found Goodlow Harper Bell as the founder of the educational work of the Seventh-day Adventist Church. So despite earlier attempts, Bell founded the first permanent Adventist school in Battle Creek, Michigan. So his efforts also included educational administration, serving as an author and editor, including numerous textbooks, and an active promoter of the Sabbath school. He was remembered by an medyo unfortunate as a quiet and unassuming person who was the least appreciated man of the early Adventist pioneers, which is unfortunate for him that he was remembered by that praise because of the many disappointing experiences that he had incurred during his teaching journey as an Adventist. But despite of it all, the work that he has started in the educational facet of our denomination up until now is having been upheld. I hope na from now on, we will have the interest to get to know more our history, and especially the people who have built our foundation all throughout the time.